Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your strong VPN subscription. First of all, you need to open any Play Store, you can select any web browser like Chrome or any Firefox. You need to type strong VPN cancel subscription, and you will see this kind of option. The first one, cancel services auto renewal form. When you select this option, I will provide you link in our video description box. You are on this page, there is a option like this is the link. You need to click on this link, and once you click on this link, it will redirect you on your account. You need to log in into your account, and once you enter your details related to your account like your email ID and your password, when you click login, it will redirect you on your subscription area, and you can cancel it, you can pause it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so this is the answer for your question, how you can cancel your Proton VPN subscription, strong VPN subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.